How to become a self-taught ethical hacker. There are many students who want to learn ethical hacking but cannot afford to buy the courses and have other financial problems. But what I tell you, you can become a self-taught ethical hacker. But the ratio of success is very low and requires a lot of hard work and never to give up attitude. It's like you can learn each and everything from internet, video tutorials, articles and so on. But at the end of the day, the real training environment is required to make sure that's the knowledge you have acquired from training by yourself in practical executable in real world or not. There are challenges and errors in every field which will try to stop you. It's depend on you how you solve them. There is everything on internet. It's on you how you use it for your benefit. Also, if you learn hacking by self study, also it will improve your logic. You can able to think more dynamically, which is the key point in the hacking.